Good morning to all. This is for class 5th MSc. Class 5th, today we are going to start our new chapter number 6, that is true friendship. Now friendship is a miraculous gift of God. How much do we enjoy the company of friends? The sweet memories of friends rushes to our mind. So friendship is miraculous gift of God, means it is very precious gift of God, and the time which we enjoy with our friends are very memorable, are very sweet, and it always rushes in my mind when our friends are not with us. We used to think about them and a smile came on our face. Why? Because we had spent a memorable and sweet moments with our friends. So what you have to do here, you have to write down the names of 5 close friends. Write the qualities you appreciate in them. In this you have to write the name of the friend and the quality of the friend that he have, that you appreciate in him. Now let us try to understand the true meaning of friendship. Listen to an event from the life of great philosopher Socrates. Now in this chapter the depth of friendship is explained. So first of all let us know what is the meaning of friendship, how a true friend should be. Now there is an event that happened in the life of a great philosopher whose name was Socrates. So in this chapter that event has been described. Let us see what the event was. One day a visitor came to Socrates' house and said, "Do you know what I just heard about your friend? Please wait a minute. You have to pass a triple threat test before speaking anything about my friend." Now one day one person came to the Socrates' house and he said to Socrates that I have heard something about your friend, so I would like to tell you. Would you like to listen about this? So Socrates said, just wait for a minute. Before telling anything about my friend, first of all you have to pass the triple threat test. The triple filter test. Now the man was shocked about listening the triple filter test. So he said, triple filter test? What's that? Now Socrates explained him about the triple filter test. Okay, what are the 3 triple filter tests? The first filter is truth. Are you sure what you are going to speak is absolutely true? So the first one is truth. So Socrates asked to that person that are you sure whatever you are going to say about my friend is absolutely true? So what visitor replied? Oh sorry, I'm not sure, I just heard, that's all, said the visitor. Visitor said, sorry, I cannot say whether it is true or not, but I just heard about that is why I am telling you. Okay, then Socrates said, now the second filter is of goodness. Is it something good about my friend? Now Socrates said that, okay, let's come to the second filter now, and second filter test is goodness. So now tell me whatever you are going to say about my friend is good or not. Then visitor said, sorry, no. Then Socrates said, okay, coming to the third filter. The third filter is of usefulness. Are you going to share something useful to me? Means whatever you are going to say about my friend, is this any use for me or not? Then visitor said, no, not exactly. Now, well, if what you want to tell me is neither true nor good or even useful, why do you want to share it with me? I am not interested to hear it at all. concluded Socrates. So now, after 3 filter tests, Socrates said that whatever you are going to say about my friend is neither true nor good or not even useful to me. So why do you want to share to me such type of things? I'm not interested. I'm not going to hear whatever you are going to say. So these were the 3 filter tests. First one was truth, second one was goodness, and third one was usefulness. So dear students, in the case of friendship, while speaking and hearing, you must test them through this triple filter of truth, goodness, and usefulness. Do not speak and hear what harm your friendship. Always avoid talking behind your friends or dear ones. If we speak or do harm to our friend, it is not true friendship. So, by this event, the conclusion is that whenever we are going to hear something about our best friend, about our true friend, so first of all we have to ask him to pass the 3 filter test. And what are the 3 filter tests? Truth, goodness, and usefulness. And also one should not speak or hear harm about your friendship. Means the thing which are going to harm our friendship, like someone is going and saying anything and we are believing. No, that should not be done in true friendship. It is not called as true friendship. One should always avoid talking about the friend behind him. If we speak or do harm to our friend, then it will not be called as true friendship. A true friendship is built by the mutual love, trust, and confidence. Have you ever heard the proverb, a friend is in need is a friend indeed? This is very old proverb. A friend in need is a friend indeed. To help a friend in his or her problem and difficulty is not easy. But remember that is the true test of friendship. So, if we want to build a true friendship, then it will be built by the mutual love, trust, and confidence. These 3 things are very necessary for building a true friendship. It is not very easy to help a friend whenever he is in difficulty, but the person who is doing so will be known as the true friend, because that is the true test of friendship. So we should always help our friend whenever he needed us. Now let us build a bridge of friendship, share love with our friends, speak good words, and help one another with a little act of charity. So we should build a bridge of friendship by sharing love with our friends, speaking good words, and helping one another whenever they are in any problem or whenever they need our help. We should stand with them. Now coming on to, let us discuss first question. What was the first filter test of friendship used by Socrates? So first answer is truth. Truth, truth. Now second, did the visitor pass the first test? If not, why? So second answer is no, because he was not sure about what he knows is absolutely true. I am repeating second answer. No, because he was not sure what he knew is absolutely true. Now question number third. What was the second filter test of friendship? So third answer is goodness. Answer number third is goodness. Now fourth one. Did the visitor pass the second test used by Socrates? If not, why? So fourth answer is no, because there was not any goodness. Fourth answer is no, because there was not any goodness. Now coming on to fifth, what was the third filter test of friendship? Fifth answer is usefulness. 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 So for today till here it is enough. And now what you have to do, you have to write this let us discuss in your notebook, all the 5 question answers. Then in next video I will start explaining from next part.